In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Google Gtag.js. This process happens inside Google Analytics, and by the end you will have the exact Google tag code that needs to be added to your website, so Analytics can start collecting data. Start by going to Google Analytics and landing on the Analytics home screen. Make sure you are in the correct property for the website you want to track. If you manage multiple properties, take a moment to confirm you are not in the wrong one, because the tag you copy must match the correct account and data stream. Next, click on Admin. You will usually find Admin in the lower left area of the Analytics interface. Admin is where you manage settings for your account and property, including how data is collected. In the Admin area, click on Data Streams. Data streams are where Google Analytics defines the source of your data, like a web stream for a website. After you open Data Streams, select the web data stream for the site you are installing the tag on. This is the stream you want to highlight and open so you can access its tag setup options. Once you are inside the selected data stream, click View Tag Instructions. This opens the installation options for your Google tag. You may see a brief loading state while Analytics prepares the instructions, so give it a moment to fully appear. When the instructions are visible, choose Install Manually. This option is for adding the Google tag directly into your site code. It is the most common approach when you have access to your website header or when you are working with a developer. You will now see a message explaining that the Google tag should be copied and pasted into the code of every page of your website, immediately after the opening head element. Follow that placement exactly. Putting the code inside the head helps it load early, which improves tracking reliability. Also, make sure you only add one Google tag per page, since multiple copies can lead to duplicate tracking and messy data. Finally, locate the code snippet that begins with the comment for the Google tag, Gtag.js. Click into that code area, highlight the full snippet, and copy it carefully so you do not miss any lines. You can now paste it into your website header as instructed, and that is all there is to it.